We have received the doorbell. It is having no sound. So customer reported it is not working or it is not pairing. So just we connected to the electric board and try to connect by push button, but it is not receiving sound, but it having sound, but it has lost connectivity. So do reset it by pressing this function sound button, plus minus. So just press this and just connect to this electric board. So after light glowing, just release this button, then press and hold for 2 seconds this button. Light will glow, white LED will glow. Then press this then press to push button for pairing. Here. After that, you have to press 3 times on this button, volume control button. 1, 2, 3. Now press the push button. See, it is working fine after resetting the